Jen and I have worked with hundreds of women just in the last couple of years, and most women do want financial independence and personal freedom. But most women, what we have found, are working really hard, working a lot, working hard, but on the stuff that does not move them forward towards reaching those goals. And, you know, it can feel like you're spinning your wheels. Maybe you're starting to second guess yourself. Maybe you're even at the point where you're just choosing to settle and accept what is. You know, I had one of our ladies share with me before she started our program. She said, there are just so many influences bombarding you. I don't know which avenue is the right avenue. I don't know who is the right person to listen to. It all becomes too much and I end up doing nothing. And that's the exact reason that we created the 6-week Ken program, because we want to help you dial down that noise and focus on the things that matter. Because if you do feel like you're spinning your wheels, if you do feel like you're second guessing yourself and getting nowhere, I am going to encourage you to not have another half-baked attempt at a different side hustle or a new strategy, and instead focus on the things that matter. And we show you exactly what that is and what steps are going to move you forward when it comes to creating financial independence and true personal freedom in the Ken program.